dog doing?
Hello. I don't know how to say.
What's this?
This is our first lesson down, and it's quite fun. I think. Okay.
Monday classes with you guys again.
Monday. Oh yeah. But this time it's 8:30. It's freaking early.
Hey, but Kelly said I'm homeless when I first came in.
Show the feet. Show the face. Show the feet. No, wear your jacket again.
Even more accessories, guys.
Show your ring.
Wow, I'm so stunned.
Okay, this is how the class looks like.
What the dog doing?
With you.
Start with.
We are matching.
Hi.
Hi guys, we are in the same MNO group.
Yay.
Unfortunately.
Fortunately. Okay.
So nothing to do now.
Yeah, we have nothing to do. The teacher left already, so I think we can go back. But I don't think anyone wants to go back.
Yeah, no one's leaving.
And we are followers, we're not leaders. So like,
That's what I say. That's crazy.
oh my god, and look at my nails. These are cat eye nails.
What the dog doing?
I love Taiwan.
Stational fluid dynamics. So you know your, I don't know whether you go on the
We are touring.
yeah, it's right here.
Look, and the wallpaper, so nice.
What the dog doing?
Attention to everyone.
Hey, it's yours.
Wizards. Actually, I don't want the squid
I want the
one.
top two the most.
Yeah, also the because the eel one depends on the design behind. Cannot see really see. Okay, yeah. I think top 4 for me. Or surprise. Or surprise.
Okay, secret. Okay, open.
Okay. So they accepted. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Oh! I got it.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's a crab.
Hey, this is cute. Okay lah.
No, but that's it.
I don't have anything from this series. I'm okay with anything.
I bought this series because she keep moving house, bro.
Huh?
You get what I mean? You keep moving to the down there, you're like,
Okay.
I hate moving.
I want.
I'm
okay with anything.
I don't want the plant or I don't want the
Oh,
slider
the plant
thing.
is cute. Or the slide. What's slider?
Yeah, this one, the one, like,
Oh.
actually not bad because
Wait,
can
I'm
fly off
actually
the
okay with
table.
anything.
Okay, okay, anything. But
I
plant
think
meh.
these two will be super cute. Focus. This one.
Oh yeah, this one
Both
because you can put
holding
things on top.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's open. Let's open.
It may be the plant eh.
Okay. Actually, I got the plant also. Open. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wait, I like the plant.
No way! No way I chose the same
Wait, the
thing.
plant is so cute though.
No
Why did they put?
way. Oh, I heard they hit the plucker one, look.
It's so cute. Wait, did you send me a TikTok or something?
Yeah, you can replace it with a grape. Okay, they both got plants. Oh my god, look.
Oh my god. I want the diaper one.
The diaper one, yeah. Hanging down one meh. No. Sleeping or diaper on this not bad. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, I got the sleeping one.
Okay, this is not bad. Okay, not bad.
Okay, phone.
Wait, then how am I supposed to?
You try on.
How do you?
One is
Huh?
Huh?
Wait, it's not. It's not really. Okay, it's just like.
Okay. Oh, pop socket. You know in picture. You can let it. Stuck or not? I cannot one.
Maybe this is like a keychain or something. You put a phone drill. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. My phone no storage already. Yay! Hello.
We'll be doing a taste test for
Or cookie.
What difference is
What's cookie? It's basically condensed milk mixed with saffron and spices, and then put it on the ice roller to become an ice holly.
now you know. Let's look at this. Let's take a bite, shall we?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Good.
Good thing.
Yeah, I like it.